Want to upgrade your workspace and get more done? I've got 5 genius desk gadgets that will instantly boost your productivity. Welcome back to Gadget Grid, where we explore the coolest gadgets to make your life easier. First up, the wireless charging pad. Forget messy cables, just drop your phone on it and keep working. It's sleek, minimal, and makes sure your phone never dies in the middle of a busy day. Next, the LED desk lamp with USB ports. Not only does it give you bright, adjustable lighting for late-night work sessions, but it also doubles as a charging hub for your devices. If you're finding these useful so far, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more productivity-boosting gadgets. Number 3, the cable management box. Tired of a messy desk filled with wires? This simple box hides all the clutter, leaving your setup clean and professional. Fourth, the laptop stand with cooling fan. It raises your laptop for better posture and prevents overheating, perfect if you're working long hours or gaming. And finally, the magnetic whiteboard pad. Stick it right on your desk. Jot down quick reminders or to-do lists and stay on top of tasks without fumbling for sticky notes. So, which of these gadgets would upgrade your desk setup the most? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want to grab any of these gadgets, I've linked them all in the description. Go check them out. This is Gadget Grid, bringing you smart tools for a smarter life. See you in the next video.